Haragu. We're going to put some respect back on your name. I know you heard so many songs or people using the name Haragu, rhyming it with Hungugu, the Tigrinya word for scary creature, monster, a bugaboo. Here is the beautiful meaning of this name. Harig means vine or branch, and Haragu is a female name that means Harag Natu, his vine. And parents who choose this name for their daughter are saying their daughter is a wonderful fruit of God. This references a Bible verse that describes the woman as a fruitful vine. To all the Haragu in the world, I see you and I got you.
Learn Tigrinya on SemiKids.com.
Culture is cool.